news this evening. Prime Minister seeks external help to stop flow of illegal guns in the country. Jamaicans abroad take no mining in the cockpit country protest to the United Nations. And still searching, no sign of 9-year-old boy who was swept away by flood waters in St. Andrew.
Good evening and welcome to Primetime News on air and online at onespotmedia.com. I'm Archibald Gordon.
And I'm Janella Precious. Also this evening, the top business stories of the day. Herman Green has our preview.
Thanks, Janella. Well, Jamaica has been given an improved credit rating by Standard & Poor's. It's been touted as another impressive marker in Jamaica's economic progress. I'll tell you more about that and other business stories later in the financial week.
And the big story today, Jordan, for Doha, they won.
Yeah, not a bad day for the Jamaicans at all. All but one Jamaican advancing from the heats of their respective events in Doha for the World Championships that's happening over there in Qatar. I'll tell you a lot more about that in a Primetime Sports Friday.
But there's also sports commentary, E-Prime, and weather in this newscast. But before the break, the feedback question.
Now, this evening we're asking, do you think enough is being done to help find the boy who was swept away in floodwaters on Wednesday?
You can share comments online, facebook.com/Television Jamaica, and tweet us at Television Jam.
Stay with us. Primetime News returns right after this break.